Well, more states are now on the verge of expanding vaccine mandates, a sweeping measure that would require the shots for everyone entering restaurants, gyms, or even arenas. Ron Allen has the latest updates.
Today, there seems to be more momentum picking up across the country for vaccination mandates, particularly in light of some new numbers that show that the number of coronavirus deaths in the U.S. is some 20,000 higher this year than it was last year, even though there are 3 vaccinations available to people. But the numbers are still relatively low. Only about 60% of the population in the country is fully vaccinated. So here in New York, you're seeing vaccination mandates in the schools and in the healthcare settings. The governor here is talking about expanding the category of healthcare workers who are going to be required to get vaccinated. It all seems to be working. In the school system here in New York City, for example, some 95% of the employees are vaccinated, and many chose to get vaccinated as the deadline approached. So frankly, so that they could keep their jobs. Also in Los Angeles, there's going to be a push for a new mandate for people who want to go into bars, restaurants, nightclubs, museums, public spaces, as is the case here in New York City, which again seems to be becoming part of the culture. People expect this, and this is the bottom line again. It's working. It seems to be driving people to get vaccinated because they want to participate in the life of their cities or because they want to keep their jobs. So expect to see more of that. Connecticut has some mandates in place that may expand. Washington State is another example. More on that in the coming weeks, no doubt. Now back to you.
Well, when it comes to the COVID vaccine, there is a study out that shows that the Pfizer vaccine's effectiveness drops 6 months after receiving that second dose. The data indicated that vaccine effectiveness dropped from 88% to 47% 6 months after that second dose, and that drop is due to waning efficacy, but not because of more contagious variants of the COVID variant that are out there right now.